was early summer night. So my friends they keep saying, but just wait, you know it ain't your time tonight. Yeah. You should have seen the jealous look on Daddy's face when she came and I woke up to her.
You know I like it like that.
And then she said, honey boy,